Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. Some dishwashers have a thermal fuse which protects the control board from overheating. If the dishwasher overheats, the fuse will blow, disconnecting the power. In this case, you will have no lights and no response from the control board. In this episode, first, we'll do some tests with a multimeter. Finally, we'll see how to install a new thermal fuse. Thank you to Frigidaire for sponsoring this video. Let's begin. To begin, you might need a screwdriver or nut driver, pliers, and a multimeter. You might also need channel lock pliers, an adjustable wrench, and a socket set. Keep in mind, there is some variation between models, and not all dishwashers will have the same parts. You can enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website. This will bring up a model breakdown with the exact replacement parts listed on the side. The thermal fuse is often found in the door next to the control panel. This is the type we'll be showing. In some models, it might be located below or behind the dishwasher. You can see how to remove the dishwasher in the video link below. First, shut off the breaker to disconnect the power. In some cases, you can unplug the dishwasher. Now shut off the water supply valve. This should be located under the sink. It's also a good idea to wear cut-resistant gloves, as there can be some sharp edges. First, open the door. Now remove each of the mounting screws on the inner panel. There might be several larger screws. Remember where they go, as using the wrong screw in the wrong hole can damage the mount. Now remove the outer panel. Using a multimeter, components can be tested for continuity. A successful continuity test proves that electricity can pass through the circuit. Without continuity, the component will not work and will need to be replaced. The thermal fuse can be tested in place while it's still mounted. First, disconnect the wires. Set your multimeter to the resistance setting. Touch each probe to each terminal. There should be a resistance reading between 0 and 1 ohm. If there is no continuity, an infinite reading, or a resistance in the millions of ohms, then the fuse has failed and should be replaced. First, disconnect the wires. Now remove any mounting screws. In some models, it might be held in by several tabs. Now remove the thermal fuse. Align the new thermal fuse into the mount. If needed, tighten the screws. Now reconnect the wires. Slide the outer panel onto the mount. Make sure to align the edges or the holes will not line up. Now tighten the screws. Turn on the water supply. Next, reconnect the power. Now it's best to test the dishwasher to see if it's working properly. You can start a cycle even without any dishes or detergent. If this works, then cancel the cycle and run a full load of dishes. If you found this episode helpful, then subscribe to our channel. And when you need a replacement part, you can get it online or in one of our AMRE Supply branches. Thanks for watching.